Dear students, in the last video we have discussed about the structure of positive, negative, interrogative, yes no, and also double H, and also negative interrogative format. In this video we will discuss about the practice set. Okay, how to change positive into negative, negative into yes no, and also negative into negative interrogative. Okay, so let's start the first question. He goes there by bus. You have to change into yes no question. The first option is, does he go there by bus? Do he goes there by bus? Does he goes there by bus? Okay, so here first and last option look very similar, but there is some changes. Does he go there by bus? Does he goes there by bus? So here correct answer will be first option. Does he go there by bus? Okay. Then next question. Maria gets up at 6 o'clock. You have to change into negative. You know the structure of negative. Subject plus do or does plus not plus V1 plus others. Okay. Do will be used for I, you, we, they, or any plural noun, and does will be used for she, he, it, or any singular noun. Here singular means here Maria is singular. Okay, Maria gets up at 6 o'clock. You have to change into negative. Maria doesn't get up at 6 o'clock. Maria doesn't gets up at 6 o'clock. Maria don't get up at 6 o'clock. Okay, so here first and second option look very similar. Some changes like get up and gets up. So here correct answer will be first option. Maria doesn't get up at 6 o'clock. Okay. Then third question, she laughs loudly. You have to change into double H question. Okay. She laughs loudly. Here loudly is an adverb. Okay, adverb. Who laughs loudly? How does she laugh? How does she laughs? So here first and second option will be correct. Who laughs loudly and also how does she laugh? Okay, first and second option will be correct. Then fourth question, she doesn't talk too much. You have to change into affirmative or positive sentence. She talk too much, she talks too much, she does talk too much. So which one will be correct one? The second option will be correct. She talks too much. Okay. Do they run? You have to change into affirmative. They runs, they run, they do they run. Okay, so here second option will be correct. They run. Okay. Then next question, the stars shine in the night. Here the stars is in plural form. Okay, you have to change into double H question. When does the stars shine? When do the stars shine? When does the stars shine? Okay, so here first and third option repeated. So here which option will be correct? First and second option. When does the stars shine or when do the stars shine? Here the second option will be correct because stars in plural form and we use do for the plural. Okay, when do the stars shine? Clear? Then next question, the star shines in the night. Here star is in singular form. Just look at the sixth question, the stars, and seventh question, the star. Here the difference is only in a number. First one is plural, the second one is singular. The star shines. Okay, so we use does for singular. Does the star shine in the night? Do the star shine in the night? The first option will be correct. Does the star shine in the night? Okay. The next question, our exam starts on next week. Our exam starts on next week. You have to change into negative. Our exam don't start on next week or our exam doesn't start on next week. So here second option will be correct. Our exam doesn't start on next week. Okay, clear? The next question, Rohit doesn't like swimming. So you have to change into affirmative or positive sentence. Rohit likes swimming or Rohit likes swimming. Second option will be correct. Rohit likes swimming. Okay. Next question, this book cost rupees 599. You have to change into double H question. how much do this book cost, how much does this book cost, how much does this book cost. So here the second and third option very similar, just change in the verb of the form, cost costs, then third one is cost. So which option will be correct? Yes, third option will be correct. How much does this book cost? Okay, third option, how much does this book cost, will be correct one. Mr. John teaches us mathematics. Mathematics, okay, you have to change into double H question. Who teach you mathematics? Who teaches you mathematics? What does Mr. John teach you? What does Mr. John teaches you? What does Mr. John teaches you? Okay, so here two options will be correct. Which one? The second one, who teaches you mathematics, or what does Mr. John teach you? Okay, second and third option will be correct. Second option and third option. It doesn't rain a lot in Assam. It doesn't rain a lot in Assam. You have to change into positive or affirmative. It rains a lot in Assam, or it rain a lot in Assam. Yes, first one will be correct. It rains a lot in Assam. Okay. The next question, I don't know you. You have to change into yes no question. Okay, this is negative question, so its positive will be I know you. Okay, I know you, it's positive. Then interrogative yes no will be do I know you, do I know you. Okay, second option, I don't know you, yes no will be do I know you. Then next question, does she laugh? You have to change into positive or affirmative. She laughs, she does laugh, she laughs. Which option will be correct? Yes, the first option will be correct, she laughs. Then next question, do I read? You have to change into positive or affirmative. I read, I do read, or I read. Yes, which option? I read, I read. Second option will be correct. Then next question, he looks very smart. He looks very smart. You have to change into negative, interrogative, negative and also interrogative. Doesn't he looks very smart? Doesn't he look very smart? Does he not look very smart? Don't he looks very smart? So here which option will be correct? Second option, doesn't he look very smart, will be correct, and also third option, does he not look very smart. If you write does not in contracted form, then second option will be correct. If you want to write in a longer form, then does he not look very smart. Okay, second and third option will be correct. Clear? Then next question, don't they live in Delhi? Don't they live in Delhi? You have to change into affirmative or positive. They live in Delhi, they do live in Delhi, they lives in Delhi. Here the first one will be correct. They live in Delhi. Okay, first option. I don't tell a lie. I don't tell a lie. Do I tell a lie or does I tell a lie? You know, which option will be correct? Yes, first option. Do I tell a lie? The supermarket closes at 10 p.m. At 10 p.m. here time is given. That means you have to use the WH word when. When does or when do? Yes, here when does the supermarket closes. Okay, closes. When does the supermarket close? Here the first option will be correct. Okay, first option. She wants to go to the theater. You have to change into yes no. Do she want to go to the theater? Does she wants to go to the theater? Does she want to go to the theater? Which option will be correct? Here the third option. Does she want to go to the theater? The third option will be correct one. Okay. Next, my birthday falls on 8th June. That means time is given. You have to use when, WH word. Okay. When do your birthday fall? When does your birthday fall? When does your birthday falls? Which one will be correct? When does your birthday fall? Not falls. Second option will be correct. When does your birthday fall? Next question. Some people forget everything. You have to change into yes no question. Does some people forget everything or do some people forget everything? Here which one will be correct? Yes, second option will be correct. Do some people forget everything? Okay, clear? Mr. John owns a Maruti car. That means you can use here two WH word. That means who or what. Who owns a Maruti car? Mr. John owns a Maruti car. What does Mr. John own? So which option will be correct? First, who owns a Maruti Wagoner, or the second option will be correct. First and second. But the fourth option here, fourth and second option just look like same, but own and owns. Okay, so which one will be correct? First and second. The next question, she understands English. You have to change into yes no question. Do she understand English? Does she understands English? Does she understand English? Which one will be correct? Yes. Then third option will be correct. Does she understand English? Then next question, he does his tax on time. He does his tax on time. Does he do his tax in time, or he does his tax on time? Yes. Which one? First, does he do his tax on time? Clear? Here does is in the form of main verb. He does his tax. Here does is main verb. Okay. Then next question, the cricket team doesn't come from Mumbai. Doesn't come from Mumbai. You have to change into WH question. Where does the cricket team come from? Where do the cricket team come from? Where does the cricket team comes from? Which option? Yes, the first option. Where does the cricket team come from? Okay. Do I ask you something? You have to change into positive or affirmative. I ask you something. I do ask you something. I ask you something. So here, first option will be correct. I ask you something. This book consists 120 pages. You have to change into WH question. How much pages? So here you know how much used for uncountable nouns, but here pages are countable. Pages. Page is countable because if a noun has its plural form, then we can call it is a countable noun. Okay. So here we will use how many. How many pages does this book consist, or how many pages does this book consist? Which one? Second option will be correct. Second option. How many pages does this book consist? Next, don't you speak lie. Don't you speak lie? Affirmative. You speak lie. You speak lie. You do speak lie. Here, yes, second option will be correct. You speak lie. Clear? Flowers enhance the beauty of the garden. Flowers increase the beauty of the garden. Which option will be correct? Here flowers is in plural form. We use do for plural. So here second option will be correct. Do flowers enhance the beauty of the garden? Clear? Dear students, this is the practice set of simple present. That means how to change positive negative, negative into interrogative, negative into negative interrogative, positive into yes no into positive. There are various types of format of question in this file. So you have to, I will provide this PDF file link in the description. You can also download and also can practice yourself. Okay. So if dear students, if you have any doubt, comment in the comment box. I hope this video will help you. Thank you. In the next video, we will discuss about the uses of present progressive or present continuous. Okay. Thank you.